Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Mathematics for Life. So today we are going to forge ahead or proceed with our algebraic expression. So the topic for today, symbols and algebraic shorthand. So within this topic, symbols and algebraic shorthand, we are going to tackle on the mistakes or errors that can be done by a student or by a learner when we talk about mathematical algebraic expression. So here we've got two examples, example 1 and example 2. This is the question. It says, when A is equal to and B is equal to 3, find the value of AB to the power 2 and find the value of bracket A, B, close the bracket, to the power 2. These answers that you have to get for these two questions, they are very different, and we will get on the answers in the future or in the near minutes to come. Example 2 we are going to tackle again. When X is equal to 7, Y is equal to 8, and Z is equal to 5. Find the value of X minus open bracket Y minus Z close the bracket, and X minus Y minus Z. Again, this expression, the answers are different. Many students, they do these mistakes. They assume the answers will be the same because since all of them, they just X minus open bracket Y minus Z, and then so the answers will be different. Stay tuned, where we are going to find out how to calculate and how the answers will be the different ones. Okay, so now let us find out the answers according to the expression that we had in the first slide. So the first equation was in example 1, A, it was we must find the value when AB to the power 2. AB to the power 2. So how can we calculate this? So we'll say is equal to A, it was 2. A is represented by 2 times B, it was represented by 3 to the power 2. So without bracket, this to the power 2, it's only applied to 3, not to 2. It's only applied to 3. So is equal to, it will be 2 times 9, because this 3 to the power 2 is 9. Let's together so far. Then here you'll get now the last answer, which is 2 times 9 is 18. That is the final answer. Let's move on for B. B. B, it says, open bracket, A, B, close bracket, to the power 2. Again, this equation, it's different from the first or from letter A. But most of the student, if you just check like this, almost you see it's the same, but exactly very different. They're not the same. So you will say is equal. You open bracket. We knew A is 2 times B is 3. Close your bracket and A to the power 2. So to the power 2. Okay, let's proceed. In this way, we'll still remember BODMAS, which is bracket. First, solve the numbers which are in the bracket. So how can we do it? We just say 2 times 3 is equal to 6, then to the power 2. Final answer to be what now? 6 to the power 2 is 36. You see? Answers are different. Very, very different. That's it. This bracket, the bracket and the open bracket, these equations, they are very different. Those two equations, they are not the same. Let's go in example 2. In example 2a, it was x minus open bracket y minus z close bracket. Again, according to the instruction, it was x, it was 7 minus open bracket y, it was 8 minus z, it was 5. Close the bracket. So let's proceed. First and foremost, again, we must think about the BODMAS. BODMAS, which is bracket. Let's bring 7 down here. 7 minus 5, correction, 8 minus 5 is equal to what? It's equal to 3. So 3, bring down here. Then 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Let's check for example B. So in example B, the equation was x minus y minus z. Again, we know that x, it was 7, y is 8, and then z is 5. Okay, 5. So in this case, any way you start, you can start from these 2, you can start from these 2, your answer will be still the same. So now they say 7 minus 8 is equal to -1. So we bring the 5 here, -5. So is equal to -1 minus 5 is equal to -6. So if you check here, the bracket and without bracket your answers are different. Here is 4, here is 6. The difference is because of the bracket. Firstly, you are solving out the bracket numbers before you come to subtract the last numbers. While this one, you can start any number without bracket. There is no bottom here. You can start from either -8, -5, then you come 7, -13, because -8 -5 will give you -13. So this is the error, or this is the mistake most of students does. They don't realize the power without a bracket, the numbers without bracket. Equation can be looking like the same, but the bracket is playing a big role. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for paying attention. Please subscribe, share, ring the bell notification in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.